Dear students, I am your maths teacher from Paramount Public School, Jima. Today we will continue class 7th, lesson 2nd, fractions. Next topic is beta fractions word problem. We are on exercise 2.1. We have solved question 8th. Up to 8th question we have solved the exercise. Means in the previous video I have explained addition and subtraction of the fractions. So I will continue from question 9th. Question 9th is beta based on the word problem of fractions. Beta your question 9th is, what should be added to 5 and 3/7 to get 12? Means simply you have the question, what should be added in 5 and 3/7 to get 12? So first of all, beta, convert this word problem into mathematical expression. Then you can easily solve. Now I have, suppose I add x in 5 and 3/7. I add x to get 12. So simply I add x in 5 and 3/7. Means I want to find x. I have to find x now. So keep x on one side. The quantity which you have to find, keep it on one side, and other number whatever are there, move these numbers on other side of the sign of equal. Understood beta? Whenever this number come on that side of equal, you know its sign will be changed. Here it is in plus, on that side it will come in minus. It become 5 minus 5 and 3/7. Understood beta? This is mixed fraction. You know how to convert in improper fraction. I explained in the previous video. Now 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 3 is equal to 38. So it becomes 38 upon 7. Now here it is beta. Denominator of 12 is 1. So LCM of 7 and 1 is 7. LCM of 7 and 1 is beta 7. So you have to change the denominator into 7 of both fraction. Okay. Now beta, look here, in first fraction the denominator is 1. I want to change 1 into 7. So 1 multiply with 7. Similarly beta, 12 also multiply with 7. Keep in mind this step. With what number you are multiplying the denominator, with same number you have to multiply numerator. And in the second fraction, the denominator is already 7. So keep it as it is. Understood beta? Because denominator is already 7. Now beta, 12 7s are 84 upon 7 minus 38 upon 7. Now denominators are equal. That means your LCM 7 will be one time only here. And here beta, 84 minus 38. And 84 minus 38 is equal to 46. And it becomes 46 upon 7. Understood beta? This is your answer. Means you have to add 46 upon 7 in 5 and 3/7 to get 12. Clear beta? Understood? Beta, your next question is question 11th. Question 10th I will give you for the practice. Beta, question 11th is, Suman studies 5 and 2/3 hours daily. Means that time she is giving to study daily. And from that time beta, she studies science and maths for 2 and 4/5 hours. Understood, beta? That time she is giving to science and math. Your question is time to devote other subject, means what time she gave to other subject. Understood, beta? So as like the last question, what quantity you have to find? Let this quantity be equal to x, or you can suppose any other variable like f, p, anyone you can suppose. Let time for other subject is equal to x hours. Understood, beta? Now look at the question. Total time she gave to study daily 5 and 2/3 hours. Understood, beta? Time for science and math 2 and 4/5 hours. Okay, beta? And time for other subject x hours. Means according to question, look here, beta. According to question, she study other subject for x hour, means x, plus she study science and math for 2 and 4/5 hours, plus 2 and 4/5, means that time she is giving to study daily. Understood? It become total time given by her for the study. And total time here, beta, in the question 5 and 2/3. Understood, beta? Now very simple, we have to find the x as like the last question. Keep x on one side. 5 and 2/3. This number come that side, it become 2 and -2 and 4/5. Now first of all, beta, both are mixed fraction. Change into improper. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s, 15 plus 2, beta, 17. It becomes 17 upon 3. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 4, beta, 14. It becomes 14 upon 5. Now you know how to solve. Take the LCM of 3 and 5. LCM of 3 and 5 is, beta, 15. Change the denominator of every fraction into 15. How can I change 3 into 15? 3 multiply by 5. Similarly, 17 also multiply with 5. And then 5 change into 15. 5 multiply with 3. Similarly, 14 multiply with 3. Okay, beta. Now 17 5s are 85 upon 15. 14 3s are 42 upon 15. Understood, beta? Now denominators are equal. 15, 85 minus 42. And 85 minus 42 is equal to, beta, 43. It becomes 43 upon 15. Means that time is given by her to other subject. Now convert it into the mixed fraction. Then your answer will be 2/13 upon 15 hours. That is the time given by her to other subject. Understood, beta? I hope you can easily convert improper fraction into mixed fraction, because in the previous video I have explained how to change improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Clear, beta? Beta, your next question is question 13th. In question 13th, you have a rectangular sheet of paper whose length, suppose length is L, denoted with L, whose length is 12 and half. Whose length is 12 and half. So firstly change it into improper fraction. 12 2s are 24 plus 1, 25/2. And breadth of rectangular sheet of paper B is equal to 10 and 2/3. So similarly change into improper fraction. 10 into 3 30, 30 plus 2 32/3 centimeter. Your question, how means you have to find perimeter of rectangular sheet of paper. You have to find perimeter of rectangular sheet of paper. You know very well, beta, how to find the perimeter of rectangle. Formula to find perimeter of rectangle is to multiply L plus B. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 of L plus B. Understood, beta? Now fill the value of length and breadth. Length is 25/2 and breadth is beta 32/3. Now take the LCM of denominator. LCM of 2 and 3 beta is equal to 6. Now convert denominator of every fraction into 6 as like the previous question. How to convert 2 into 6? 2 multiply by 3. Similarly 25 multiply with 3 and 3 change into 6. 3 multiply by 2. Similarly 32 multiply by 2. Okay beta? And it become 25 3s are 75. It becomes 75 upon 6 and 32 into 2 64. 3 into 2 6. Now beta LCMs are equal. LCM is 6. Here 75 plus 64. Understood beta? Now 75 plus 64 is equal to 139 upon 3. It become 2 of 139 upon 3. Sorry, here it is your LCM 6. Okay beta, now it will cancel on 3. 2 3s are 6. So it become 139 upon 3. This is the perimeter of a rectangle. You can also leave the question here, no problem. And if you match with your answer, then beta change it into a mixed fraction. You know how to change it into the mixed fraction. If you forgot, then I am explaining here beta. 139. First of all, whenever you want to change improper fraction into mixed fraction, keep the denominator same. Denominator is here 3. Now come on the division. When you divide 139 with 3, then it will become 3 4s are 12. 3 minus 2 1 and 9. Now 3 6 are 18 and my remainder is 1 here. I told you in the previous video, whatever your remainder, it will become the numerator of your mixed fraction. So its numerator is 1. Clear? And whatever your quotient is 46 here, it will become the whole number part of the mixed fraction. So it become 46 and 1/3 centimeter. This is the perimeter of your rectangular sheet of paper. Understood beta? Clear?